Hello, everyone. Welcome to our miniature world, a magical place where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Nowadays, we can frequently see this kind of captivating miniature animation appearing on social media as engaging video reels. Today, we're exploring how AI can transform your ideas into incredible miniature worlds. With new AI tools, let's see how to do it. Before creating a stunning video, we required a miniature world image. We can create image with AI image generate platforms. We can find many image generate AI tools in nowadays. In this video, I'd love to share about Leonardo AI to create AI image. Leonardo AI give you 150 tokens every day free, therefore we can create images free. But if you're a Get Premium, images can generate better quality. To create eye-catching images, we need full detailed prompt. Therefore, we can use ChatGPT to write better prompt. Type simply your idea in ChatGPT, and you can find image prompt. Make sure to mention miniature world image prompt you need to create. It's easy to get full detailed image prompt. After get the image prompt, copy and paste it to Leonardo AI. We can now see classic mode and flow mode. Classics mode give us images with limitation. I recommend to use flow mode because it's give more quality images. This image created with classic mode, I can show you different with flow mode and classic mode. This images are created with flow mode before. Let's try with my new prompt with flow mode. See the different? We can get more realistic images than classic mode. Just download your eye-catching images because we need them to create videos. Let's try with an other miniature world prompt. We can ask about image with same as ChatGPT. In this flow mode, one image costs 1 token. When you scroll down, image generation goes unlimited. Therefore, keep on your mind about your tokens in Leonardo AI. We can try get images in different culture and versions. You can specify it when you're creating prompt with ChatGPT. Okay, I downloaded to my phone, selected some images I created using Leonardo AI. This is the best part of the video. Animation are miniature world images. We can use image to video aid generation AI tool for this. However, we can see many AI video tools nowadays. In this video, I am going to use Kling AI. Android and iOS app are now available to download. I'm not going to show you how to install and create an account. Because it's easy and free to use, you will get 160 credits when sign up. After create account, click AI video feature and upload your miniature world image. We can add prompt also for video, but Kling AI identify image better, and it's give best video result. Then select video size and number of video. And what video mode is. Professional mode is better than standard mode. However, it's cost than standard video. I am going to bring this image to life without adding prompt. Click to generate and wait to minute. After we can see the video. Let's see my video results. I create 2 variants of this image. What do you think? Kling AI identify images better way to create videos. We can get different videos when we add video prompt. Let's try one more image. Please comment below if you got questions about this. Do you satisfied with this video results? Comment me below. If if you have suggesting and more. I've created tricks and tutorials WhatsApp channel to update latest news. In my creations, I'll share my image prompts and much more. I love to invite you to follow me. Scan this QR code to follow me, or find my link in video description. How did you like the video? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more miniature magic.